Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the CUBOT Tablet Top 10 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app. And I hope that you can see this special type of the grid line, probably called golden spiral. I've applied it before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So all we have to do basically is to simply enter the settings. So let's tap on it, and here scroll down to the very bottom. Now let's tap on Restore Defaults. Of course, your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so just tap on Done if you're ready. And we've been immediately transferred to the camera, and as you can see, or actually cannot see, the golden line, which simply means that it disappeared because we just successfully reset all camera customizations. So actually this is it. This is how to reset camera preferences in your CUBOT Tablet Top 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.